Hey everybody, I'm going to have some episodes on my channel called Baroni's Garage. And we are going to be restoring, yes, let me show you, 1972 Mustang Mach 1 fastback. That's what we're going to be restoring. Now, you're looking at the car right now and says, hey, Tony, how come you're going to restore this car? It looks pretty good. No, trust me. It needs to be back to its glory. Back when it was original, coming out of the dealership, the original color was grabber blue. The interior was a white interior. It's black right now, but I'm going to keep it black. I don't want to keep it white. But we're going to take apart everything. We're going to take the interior out, complete out of the car. Replace every nut and bolt, clean everything. We're going to put some big meats on the back. Oh yeah, she's going to look really good. She's not bad shape, trust me. She's pretty solid, and she's got no bondo. This used to be a Florida car, but it's a really good candidate for the restoration. I already restored my 67, and I think I did a little bit too much on my engine. It's also a Cleveland. But I'm not going to go crazy on the engine on this one. But I will make it run nice and strong. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll be restoring this beautiful 72 Mustang Mach 1. Stay tuned.